don't need to buy expensive collagen supplements in order to boost collagen in your body. If you're interested in increasing your body's own natural production of collagen, there is absolutely no better way to do it than by eating the right whole natural foods. If you are interested in collagen as a way to improve the plumpness of your skin, clearness of your skin, this video is for you because I have taken a lot of collagen supplements, and that's how many of you know me here on YouTube, but I actually haven't taken a collagen supplement in about a year now. I've really been working on dialing in my diet so that I was able to replicate the same sort of results that I got while taking collagen just through my diet alone. Today you're going to learn everything you need to know in order to start eating a collagen boosting diet. We're going to talk about these building block nutrients that are absolutely crucial in creating a diet that supports collagen production. And then we're going to get into the nitty-gritty of which foods are highest in these different nutrients so that you can make sure that you're getting the most bang for your buck out of your food. Are you ready to learn more about how to boost collagen naturally in your body in a low cost and super healthy way? If you are, let me know by putting natural in the comments below and giving the video a thumbs up. Some of these foods might be new to you, or they might not be foods that you are used to incorporating into your daily diet. So in case that's true for you, as it's true for many of us, or maybe you just are looking for some inspiration, I put together a one-day meal plan with recipes. It's free. You can get it here. You can get it in the description of the video. That'll just give you an idea of how you can put these together in a way that is, of course, very tasty and nutritious. First, let's talk nutrients. The key to creating a collagen boosting diet is a combination of vitamin C, zinc, copper, sulfur, protein, and antioxidants. When eaten together, these help to boost your own body's collagen production. Now that we know what nutrients we're looking for, we want to find foods that have decent levels of these nutrients, even better if we can knock more than one out with one food. We're looking for what foods give us the most bang for our buck when it comes to producing collagen. First up is vitamin C for its ability to help convert amino acids into collagen. Now, the first thing that we think of when we think of vitamin C is usually citrus, like your grapefruits, oranges, lemons, limes. Those are all great sources of vitamin C. One that you might not know is packed with vitamin C is red bell pepper. A cup of red bell pepper has 3 times as much vitamin C as a lemon. Isn't that insane? And red foods like red bell pepper, beets, and tomatoes also contain lycopene, which can help to repair sun damage and also help to boost collagen. Lastly, dark greens like kale and spinach also have vitamin C as well as copper and antioxidants, so they're a gold mine. I also suggest that, especially if you're newer to eating some of these darker leafy greens, cook them. Even if you're not new to it, it's actually really helpful for your body in order to help it digest rather than, say, eating it raw. I do either, but there's no shame in cooking your greens, that's for sure. Next up is zinc. For protein activating zinc, look toward pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, sesame seeds. Those are all great sources. If you're a meat eater, you can get zinc from eating red meat. Next up is antioxidants to help with free radicals. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants. Blueberries are a great choice, and goji berries are another really great superfood that are packed with antioxidants as well as vitamin C. And chocolate. Chocolate is an excellent source of antioxidants as well as copper, but the thing about chocolate is you can't just get any old milk chocolate. It does have to be a dark chocolate, and you want to be careful because you want to make sure that you're not taking in too much sugar along with the chocolate, because that will just counteract the benefits of the antioxidants. I really love this brand. It's called Hue Kitchen. It's just got 2 ingredients. It's cacao and coconut sugar, which is lower on the glycemic index. So this is a really great option, and it's so delicious, and they have lots of really great flavors. In order for all of this to work, you also need to be getting a decent amount of protein in your diet. So for vegetarians, eating tofu, beans, nuts, seeds are all excellent forms of protein, and for those who eat meat, then that would be your protein source. Last up is sulfur. It's key to helping synthesize proteins, and it's actually something that a lot of people are deficient in. Sulfur we get from some of the stinkier foods like garlic, cabbage, broccoli, all of those foods that give off that more of like a sulfuric odor. That's the sulfur in them, and it's actually really a key component to your diet. So definitely add those in. Did you see that? Okay, I got really excited over the chocolate, but clearly there is something to be looked at in cabbage. So if you're not eating cabbage, it's time. Now, you're also going to want to include a probiotic into your daily diet. It's a really key component of a healthy diet because a probiotic helps your gut in order to be able to actually absorb these different beautiful nutrients that you're introducing into it. You don't need to, you can buy a capsule. There are lots of different probiotic supplements. You can take the capsule, but since we're talking about whole, natural, healthy food ways to get our nutrients, I highly suggest different fermented foods for this, like sauerkraut or kimchi. If you start with a teaspoon a day, then that's a really great way to naturally get probiotics into your diet. I hope this was helpful. I know that it can seem a little bit overwhelming at first when you think about having to incorporate all of these different nutrients and foods into your diet, especially if they aren't foods that you are used to eating already. So like I said at the top of the video, I did put together a sample one-day menu with recipes. You can get that here, or you can get that in the description below, and that will give you an idea of what a day looks like when you're incorporating these different collagen boosting foods, and I assure you it can be very, very tasty. If you already eat any of these foods, let me know in the comments below, or if you now are going to start eating cabbage or any of the other foods now that you know that they are collagen boosters. And this was lovely, as usual. I will see you all later.